sedan, and this is the one that Steve Davis previewed just a little while ago for us. A lot of custom work on this.
Well, I think I've never seen a Beetle come up on the block and settle down on its airbags. Now, keep in mind, these things have torsion bars, front and rear, sort of re-engineer those things for the airbag. I don't know if they've done, but it's been done. I like a little touch here, the driving lamp on the passenger side, the bumper's been scalloped to accommodate the shape. Very, very subtle. I like that. Just a touch.
That is a great touch. All of the chrome on this has been redone either in a brushed finish or in silver. I don't get the outside rear view mirrors, the way they tip down like that. Jeff Catlin works for Barrett-Jackson. From the driver's seat, can you see these side mirrors?
Very, very small, but yes, I can see. I can see feet behind me.
And I used to believe you.
Perhaps the original owner was a giraffe.
I like the hub covers, which are behind the wheels, inside of those wheel bolts. Just a very sharp hot rod look. And who does this with Volkswagen Bugs anymore? Now note the engine cover, and you see what looks like a misfit at the top of this cover because it hinges from the bottom, okay? But that is not a misfit. Hot rodders do this. They extend the hinges up so that this compartment can gulp lots of cold air.
Told you something special here under the bonnet. It's okay, nicely detailed. Oh, what do you know? A Shore Rock supercharger. Oh, that's a generator. Never mind. I love that little, the Gates V-belt going on right there. The burgundy paint on everything. A couple of Weber carburetors, very cool. Probably about 90 horsepower, which is about 3 times stock. That's saying something.
Yeah, originally would have had about 36 horsepower. Now it's up probably over 90 with this Delorto 36 carburetors, custom headers. $20,000. Nicely done. And don't forget,